Hello, hello. Good afternoon. Tinanghali si Mama. Good afternoon. Happy Monday. Beautiful people. Kakakain ko lang ng apple. Baka may sumangit pa sa aking ngipin. But anyhow, happy Monday, beautiful people. So, it's 12:08 p.m. na po dito sa Ontario, Canada. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening. Kung saan man po kayo sa mundo, I hope your day is amazing. You are happy, you are healthy, you are having fun. Morgan. Oh, Morgan. Hi, Morgan. How you doing? It's been a while. Merry Christmas. Hope you guys are okay. So anyhow, it's Tita here. Good afternoon. I'm just going home. I was teaching this morning, so yan, tinanghali na naman ako. But anyhow, just wanted to touch base with you guys and always shout out sa aking mga followers diyan, mapabago man or mapaluma, and I always appreciate you guys. So thank you sa pag-i-engage sa aking mga post, and then also of course share some of my posts. So I really appreciate each and every one of you. So thank you. So Monday na naman. I hope you had an amazing weekend, and for me talagang family lang. Yeah. So anyhow, another week and another chance to get our life, to have our life better, to make our life better, diba? And ano ba nga yung caption ko? What I have put in my caption is how does online business will make your life easier or better, and what's in it for you? Because a lot of people are asking me, what is online business? How does it work? What do I get, or what's the potential? So I am I'm just kind of doing just a little bit to just give you a kind of synopsis on what it is. But anyhow, there's tons. So really, if you are the type of person who really wants to learn to improve your life, it's not only that we are improving our finances here. So personality and personal growth is really a lot. There's tons of resources that we can plug in at any time, and we have daily drop in that you can. However, again, this is for people who wants to grow their personality as well. So here, we're not only focusing on finances, so we are focusing actually on helping other people in a way that their life can be better as well. So kaya ako nag-i-enjoy, that's why I'm enjoying this, because I love I'm always like that. Wherever you want to put me, can be in my work or at school, I don't just limit into my task. So talagang I go above and beyond. So talagang lagi akong ganun. So that's why I am enjoying this, because yes, every single day I feel like I'm growing. The mindset shift is really huge, and of course the finances side is, of course, it's growing too, right? Yeah. So which is if you guys were watching our live last Saturday, was it? No, Friday. So I was we were, Rosaline, thank you for watching. So we were doing live with my coach and two of my other business partners, and we were talking about what this business has done for us. So of course everyone has a different experience, but most of us are really, Veronica, thank you for watching. Most of us are really saying that this business has not only given us financial support, but also has improved our personality, our mindset, how we deal with people. Because yes, we do talk to a lot of people every single day. And so if you are like, so talagang mag-i-improve ka dito. Mike, thank you for watching. Yeah, so anyhow, so that's what I wanna reiterate, that this business is for people who are willing to improve different aspects of their lives. So we're not talking about just finances. We're talking about your personality, your daily habits. Because let's face it, we have habits that are not helping us to grow as a person. Marami tayo dyan. We have challenges every single day. Problems that we cannot avoid, right? So how to deal with it? So we are like, there are tons of resources. I am grateful that I am in the right platform. You know why I'm saying that? It's because it helps me improve a lot of areas in my life. So I know that I am on the right track. So yeah, so that the potential when we're talking about money, okay, we're talking about potential of this business when it comes to finances is unlimited. So you can, like, it is a business. So we run our own business. So we are individual distributors. So it's up to us on how we are going to scale up our business, because the resources are there, tons of them. We can plug in anytime, anywhere we want. So it's really up to us. And it's funny because I was just talking to someone this morning, and it says, and she said to me that this is the business that I was into in 2018 that she said, because the platform that we are using, guys, is 9 years. And every single year, we beat a record from the previous year. So what does that one tells you? So we are trending higher, up, not down. Because most of the online businesses are just there for how many years? 3, 5, and then it will just go away. Maglalaho na parang bula, di ba? As we are 9 years in this business, why we stand out? For me, I would say because we have our platform is there, the support is there, and we work online. We are updated every single day because, like, let's face it, online thing, or it's changing every single day. So that is our advantage, because we are, like, we have resources within our reach. It's just in our fingertips. We don't even have to spend more money to improve ourselves, to reset our mindset, because all the resources are already there. There are tons of people that go, like, we share our experiences. Whatever we learn from something, we share it with everybody. So this is the thing that I like, because you know what, it improves my, not only my personality, my leadership as well. So there's tons of areas in my life na nabago talaga. So that's why I am enjoying this business. Yeah, so when it comes to, like, monetary potential, it's unlimited. As I have mentioned earlier, it's up to you. And when it comes to personality development, yes, it's unlimited as well. so there are tons of areas, and even my my spirituality talagang na-improve then, because now when I used to work full-time sa resort, of course, weekends and holidays, those are the busiest time. So wala kaming time na magsimba, right? Although I believe in God. I believe that we have one superpower, and I pray every single day, and multiple times because I believe there's only one superpower talaga na makakatulong sa atin, and na siya yung talagang nagdadala sa atin. Jans, thank you for watching. So yeah, so but like I didn't have time to go to church. So just this year, I have decided, because how many years na ba na hindi na ako nag-work sa resort, because of course with the help of my business. So I work part-time. I still work part-time in healthcare industry, and but I don't work on the weekend anymore. On Saturdays, I just go I teach fitness classes, and that's our bonding with my son as well, right? And then I decided this year, because with my teaching, of course, I can the schedule is on my own terms as well, because that is my other side hustle, right? So it's nice when you have a say on when you can work, right? So I decided, I said to my to the manager that I report to, I said to him that I decided I'm not going to teach on Sundays anymore. And that is still busy in the resort, but it's my call, right? So yeah, so starting like this year, I think I've started March. So yeah, so hindi na rin ako wala na akong work on Sunday. So that is the day that my family, we go to church. It's like and I feel a lot better, it feels a lot better. Like I'm more happier, I'm more content on what I'm doing. Lolita, thank you. Roslyn, thank you for watching. So if you're going to ask me what this business has done for me, it's a lot. Like finances, my time back for my family, yung marami akong time na mag-explore with my other hobbies, with my son, and present ako sa mga activities ng anak ko. So yan, it's really, really huge for me, because it used to be na isang activity lang ang magagawa ng anak ko dati. It's because sa schedule ko, right? Pero ngayon, 4 na yung ginagawa niya. It's because I can. Right? Because we can. So that alone is huge. Talagang I'm glad na talagang nagawa ko na yan. I still have a lot of things to do. I have my goal, because dito po sa business na ito, as I have mentioned earlier, our earning potential is unlimited. Right? We will come into the point where there's a certain rank na we will be collecting monthly income. We're not talking about we're not talking about commission. Monthly income, and that is for life. And on top of that, it's not only for life, we can also transfer that to our kids. So saan ka makakakita ng business na gano'n na pwede mong ipamana sa mga anak mo? Dito lang po yan sa online business na ginagawa namin. So yeah, when it comes to potential ng business na ito, it's unlimited. But I'm not gonna tell you everything, of course. I want you to do your own research. So if you want to know more information about the business, so naandyan po sa aking business page ang aking website. So all you have to do, sign up with your name and email address, and then ang aming back office na po ang magpapadala ng information sa inyo. And I also posted this morning, I pinned it into my business page kung ano yung process, because a lot of people are asking me, how do I start this business? So naandyan po, watch the video. Excuse me, para meron kayong idea. Now, once you have watched the webinar, so feel free to message me. I'm more than happy to help you, or to help you understand better about this business. But anyhow, hindi na po ako magtatagal. Thank you. Ang dami nyo. Thank you for tuning in. Saan man po kayo sa mundo. But anyhow, appreciate you guys very much. I hope it makes sense. And yeah, so just find out everything for yourself. Do your research. Because yes, there's a lot of scam again also in the internet. So do your research. And feel free to message me once you have signed up into my website and watch the webinar. So anyhow, that's it for me today. Again, thank you.